The job tracker has modes within it that can help you with these additional utilities. And you can see those through this menu of tabs here, like we have in the resume builder at the top. So the first is notes. If you want to add notes to any job, you can't get them to the table, and I understand it's kind of a second click. If you do switch between jobs, it'll be defaulted, so you don't have to reactivate it. But any notes you want to put here, who got an intro from a friend, or found the job somewhere, or met someone at a recruiting or career event, right? You can keep your notes, and those notes are stored on each job. And when you bring it over to the resume builder, you can access those notes. So that's how you use notes. Resumes, you can make a resume right from here. So you can either attach one of your existing resumes in your resume builder, or you can create a new resume right from here. And what that would do is launch a new resume in the resume builder with that job already attached. So it's a quick way to make tailored resumes in the job tracker. Let's go back over there. And so that is resumes. Then next is contacts. You can add contacts to any job in the job tracker. It doesn't do it automatically from LinkedIn or where you bookmark it. So the way you can do that is you can search your existing contacts, or you can make a new contact right here. So let's say Tina knows me. If she knows my email address, she can put it, some notes on how she found me, and she can save that, right? So that's how you add a contact into the job tracker. You can also add contacts with the Chrome extension. So let's say Zev Shapiro, I don't know Zev, but my relationship is I don't know them. They're the hiring manager, let's say. My goal is to try to set up an informational interview, and my status is to be contacted. I'll save that contact, right? And their name is Zev. So let's go back over to our job tracker. And now here, if I search for Zev, right, there they are. And so that contact was pulled from my contacts. And we'll do a whole section in the course on the contacts tracker and how to leverage that. But that is how you add them. And then you can edit that from here as well if you want. But that is how you add contacts to the opportunities. Then next is email templates. And you have email templates per stage. So if a job is in bookmarked, you can see here you've got different templates. You get one template per stage for free, and the rest are behind Teal Plus. But you can see these are templates that give you best practices on how to communicate. We will be upgrading these with AI shortly, but if you wanted to bring these over to ChatGPT and modify them, you could do that. And you can see that we have the sort of brackets where you would input information. And when I go to applying, here's to let them know I applied. If you go to applied as a follow-up, interviewing, thank you email, things like that. Should make it real easy to send some of these communications. Again, I'll do a separate module on Teal Plus so you can see some of the other ones that are in there. And then lastly is a checklist. If you wanted just a very tactical checklist per stage of things that you could do per job, there is a bit of overlap with the guidance. These will probably be consolidated into a single feature set in the future, but since it's there, I wanted to cover it. And it's just things that you could do, things to practice. Again, similar to the guidance, but you could choose to use it or not. It's just to be sort of over-prepared for the job searching. All right, those are the modes. To close them out, you can hit the X here. Depending on your screen size, it may collapse this preview. If you're working on a slightly smaller screen, we try to maximize as much of the screen real estate as we can, but that's how you bring them up. You can always close them and bring that back to having the full pane. All right, if you have any questions on the modes, let us know in the comments.